What's up, guys? It's X2Robbie2X here, and I am back with some Minecraft modding made easy. And as you know, Minecraft updated to 1.2.3, and as MCP as well updated to 6.0. So today I'm going to be showing you how to install the new Minecraft coder pack, and also how to update your mod, because there has been a little changes. So, if you have no idea how to mod, or if you have no idea anything about Java, if you've never seen my videos, and you don't have the programming software installed, well, I actually made a tutorial that's going to show up right now as an annotation on this video that you can click on. It'll show you exactly what to do to set up Java, to set up Eclipse, to set up pretty much everything you have to do before you start watching these videos. And I simply did that because, I don't know, a lot of people have been messaging me on how to set up Java, what is JDK, Java Development Kit. So if you have no idea, if you've never programmed before, make sure to check out that video right now, and then come back to this video to learn how to start modding Minecraft. So, both of these links are going to be down in the description. This is Rigusami's Modloader. It was updated for 1.2.3, and as well as the link to MCP, which was on updated to 1.2.3 also, but it's MCP version 6.0. Now their Mediafire, their Mediafire mirror does not work, I think, so they made a different mirror which you can download. So go ahead and download the MCP 60 and also the Modloader 1.2.3 right here. So I already have them both downloaded, as you can see, Modloader and MCP. Let me drag them back over. And the next thing we want to do is we want to prepare our Minecraft to be ready to be decompiled. So what you're going to do is just go to your start menu, type in app data, %app data %, and then you're going to see all your Minecrafts right here. Now make sure to back it up. Like, for example, I have nothing in this Minecraft, but if you have something in your Minecraft, just go ahead and back it up. Just name it like backup, and there we go. So now we don't actually have a Minecraft anymore. As you can see, there's no .minecraft alone, and I have all these backups of my other worlds. So what you're going to do is you're going to hit your Minecraft until it loads. Come on, Minecraft. See, it creates a brand new Minecraft folder, and then you're going to just simply log in like this. Log in. It's going to update Minecraft for you, and the next thing we're going to want to do is actually delete the meta.inf folder inside of there, and we're going to put Modloader in there. So come on, Mojang. So I don't think we need to make a world. I don't know. So next thing you're going to do is it created a brand new .minecraft folder. You're going to go in there. You're going to go to bin, and you're going to right click on Minecraft.jar. You're going to open with either WinRAR or 7-zip, whatever you have. And and this screen right here should have popped up. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to highlight meta.inf. You're going to just hit delete, and you're just going to delete that meta.inf folder right out of there. And the next thing you're going to do is you are going to drag Modloader in here. Simply highlight all the classes inside of the Modloader.zip and just drag them over into your Minecraft.jar. Just hit OK. And if we search down Minecraft.jar under right here, we should just see some Modloader classes. So now we can pretty much exit out of our Minecraft.jar. You can exit out of the Modloader, or just simply minimize it. And we're still on .minecraft bin. What we want to do is just go back so we see bin and resources. Now we're going to leave this alone for now. And the next thing you're going to do is go to your window to mcp.zip. What you're going to do is simply just highlight all the files and extract to. And I already have a pre-made folder called MCP 1.2 Blockium. So you're going to make a folder anywhere you want. Just make it. I have it on my desktop. It's called MCP 1.2 Blockium. So hit OK, and it's going to extract all those files in there. So we can get rid of the MCP also. And now I have this open already. Here we go. We extracted our MCP into here. So the next thing we want to do is you're going to go in your MCP folder. You're going to want to go into jars, and you'll see servers. There's a property file and a dat file. So you're gonna open up the jars folder, and you're gonna highlight bin and resources. If you don't know how to highlight two things at once, you click the top one, you hold down Control, you hit the other one. There we go. So now we just hit Control C. We're gonna copy them. Control V. Paste them. So now we have our resources and bin folders from our .minecraft folder. We have our resources and bin folders in here in our jars folder in our MCP. So the next thing you want to do is you're going to back into the main folder, and you're just going to hit decompile. Now this is going to take some time, so I am going to cut out here, and I'll be back when this is finished. Okay, so our file's decompiled. As you can see up here, it says errors found, but also explains that when decompiling Modloader, a single hunk failure in rendered blocks is expected and is not a problem. So here's our 1 out of 1 hunk failed. So as we said before, it's not a problem. So you're gonna press any key to continue. There we go. And what that did is it decompiled your Minecraft. Your Minecraft source code, and you see it all right here. Now you can modify this in here and simply do it within this folder, but we have Eclipse downloaded. So next thing you're going to do is you're going to open up Eclipse. And right now, if you have been following the series for a while, you probably have a different workspace. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to go to Switch Workspace, and Switch Workspace, and you're going to find your MCP 1.2 Blockium. Actually, I'm just going to do other to show you guys. Okay, so right now we are going to find our MCP, not that one, MCP 1.2 Blockium, and then you see a folder named Eclipse. Simply highlight that folder, don't go inside that folder, simply highlight the folder itself, click OK, and that is going to switch our workplace into our new Eclipse. So right now it's loading the workbench again because we gave it a brand new workspace, and there we go. Here's our workspace. Now, here you could already be coding. I mean, here's all the code for Minecraft 1.2.3, which you could, well, also we have Modloader in here also. Let's see, where's Modloader? Modloader. We have Modloader installed. We have the original files installed. So right now you could be coding, and if you don't already have a mod, you can probably skip this. I mean, close this video down now and go follow the other tutorials. But if you already have a mod and want to learn how to update it, well, stick around. So we have our Eclipse open already. Next thing you're going to do is we have our Modloader 1.2, MCP 1.2 Blockium. So the next thing you're going to do is simply go to your old MCP where you have all your other files. So mine was MCP 1.1, which opened up over here. And what you're going to do, this is the old one, remember. And then the old one, you're going to go to Source, Minecraft, Net, Minecraft, Source. And in here, you're going to have all of your Blockium classes, or all of your modified classes. And a good way to figure out which ones are modified and which ones weren't is you you just hit the Date Modified tab, and it'll sort everything by date modified. So it pretty much gives you all the ones that you modified. And for some reason, I have some on top too, but those are from another mod. So just make sure to pick out every single class. And I made a different folder for this. So I picked out every single class that was necessary for my Blockium mod, and I put it in a different folder like this. As you see, I have every single one of my, even my mod_Blockium, and every single one of my Blockium classes in another folder that is completely separate from here. So just pick those out, and you can just copy paste. You don't have to move them out, so they still stay in your MCP 1.1 if anything should happen. So once you have, let me close that out already. So once you have every single one of your classes isolated in another folder, what you're going to do is you're going to go into your MCP 1.2 Blockium, or whatever you named it. You're going to go to Source, Minecraft, Net, Minecraft, Source, and you're in this screen again, but in a different folder. So now that we have all our classes isolated, you're simply going to highlight them all, which you could do by clicking Control A or clicking the top one, Shift, and the bottom one. You're gonna highlight them all, just copy, paste, and every single one of our, let's see, date modified. Is he gonna show us? Nope, because we haven't modified him yet. Oh, yeah, we did. Here we go. And it's gonna show us all our classes on the bottom here if you click by date modified. So now we have our classes in here. The next thing we want to do is go back into your MCP 1.2 Blockium folder, and you're going to go into Eclipse, Client, Bin, and when you'll see Argo, Net, GH, and Start, you're going to go back into your old folder, and you're going to go to the same exact folder as you are in here, and simply we're going to get our Blockium and SR textures. We're going to copy and just paste the textures back in here, so we have our textures in our new MCP also. So let me exit out of that. So now we can just go back, and when we open up our Eclipse, you'll see we might have some errors. Oh, we have a lot of errors. That's because there's new methods. And if you're not getting errors when you paste it in the new code, just hit F5. That's going to refresh your Eclipse, and it should start showing errors. Now, if we look at these errors, let me bring that up. A lot of it is some variables that don't exist anymore, and a lot of it is methods. Now, the methods are really, really easy to fix. So I'm just going to show you, for example, with the multiplayer, you're simply going to delete everything that says multiplayer. I don't think there is a method anymore that make sure not to delete the whole thing, just things that say multiplayer world, because I don't think there's a multiplayer world. Whoopsie, what did I unreachable code? Oh, whoops. You gotta delete the return also. And there looks like there's more errors in here. Okay, we're simply gonna delete the multiplayer world errors for now. I'm gonna show you how to easily get rid of all the other errors. So we're gonna hit save, and when you hit save, this thing on the bottom updates. So if you see multiplayer world, if multiplayer world, then return, you want to delete that whole thing, not just the multiplayer world. Like right, no, because that's just gonna end your code. And whoops, I deleted too much. It's just gonna delete your code. I mean, just stop your code. Let me see if I can find one like that. Nope. And you guys are looking at some of my solar redstone stuff, which we're gonna get in actually today. So I'm gonna show you how to make a solar panel right after this. So now do we have that? Now you see we have a bunch of the method, whatever errors. So what we're gonna do for that is we're actually let's just see which it's in mod Blockium. Okay, now you see all these errors right here. Add recipe, register block have errors. What you're gonna do is you're gonna hit Control F, and then in the find you're gonna exactly copy what the method says, like add recipe with capital A, capital R. And then what you're gonna do, replace with add recipe with a lowercase a. Make sure it's lowercase because that's what the method has been changed to. Then you're gonna hit replace all, and we went down from 62 errors to 51. There you go. So now what's the next method? Next method is add name. So you're gonna do add name, and you're gonna change it to lowercase a, dd name. Replace all, and we went down to 37 errors. Now we have register block, same thing. Just remember to make the first letter lowercase. Register block, replace all. What are we down to now? 30 errors. Okay. Next one's add smelting. So add smelting. There we go. Okay, so another error that you're going to encounter is if you made new entities, they're not going to show up. That is because this add renderer is actually a lowercase add renderer. So even though this doesn't show up as an error, change this because your new entities will not show up as you want them to. So change the add renderer method into a lowercase a.dd renderer. So there we go. Now we're down to 28 errors, and those are all in my solar redstone. So I'm gonna do the same exact thing as add recipe. We're gonna replace all. Then there's add name. This is really easy if you're using these find methods, but if you're doing it all by hand, it's really not useful. Okay, register block. Replace all. What else do we have? Is that it? Let's see. Let's save. We're down to 13 errors. Okay, now these, in some of our block classes, I don't know why I had this here. I don't really know what it does. You're just going to want to delete the set tick on load. So just delete it. I really don't know what it does, but the method changed or it's not there anymore. I've never known what it does. I don't know why I just put that there, but simply delete those if you have them. Okay, so the next one, world height. Oh, we have some unreachable code here. Okay, see, this is what I meant. On top of this, we had if whatever is not a multiplayer world, return. You're gonna want to delete this whole thing with the whole multiplayer world, because if a return is just standing there by itself, it's just gonna close down your method, and that's not cool. So, what do we have right here? Okay, now in our Blockium tree, we have a unknown method that was not named in the previous one, but it is named in this one. So what you're gonna do is simply go look at world gen tree. Let's see, worldgentrees.java, and we're gonna find what method that is. So let's see. We're just gonna search for math.abs. Control F, Control V, and there we go. We have their exact same methods right here and right here. So you're gonna select this right here, set block and metadata, and you're gonna replace the function with that. And here's another one right under it that's the same thing. So if we click save, now we are down to 3 errors with world height. So what this does is it checks if you're going above the world height, but I don't think this is gonna happen again. So all you have to do is just simply delete the condition that says it. So like right here it says J plus L plus 1 is greater than the world height. You're simply gonna delete the 2 lines and the world height. So all you're gonna be left with is J is less than 1. Right here again, you're gonna delete the 2 ampersands, I1, and all you're gonna be left with is I1 is greater than or equal to 0. And right here, same thing. You're just gonna have the block sand and J1 is not equal to block dirt.blockID. Now, sorry this is kind of long, but that's what you gotta do if you want to update your mod. It only took like 5 minutes, but it's not bad. So now we're gonna save everything, and as you see, I only have 2 errors left. Both have something to do with the server, and since we didn't decompile a server, there we know what the error is right here. We didn't decompile a server, so that's why it's giving us an error. So, but if you're left with only these 2 errors, you're good to go. And if we hit the green button, this should work. I hope it works. Hope it doesn't give me some kind of an error. Please don't give me an error. Please. Please. No. No. I don't like when it takes too long. That probably means we got an... Oh, no. Okay. We don't have an error. We can just go ahead and create a world. And... come on, build that terrain. Come on. Come on. I don't know why it's going slow today. And there we go. We have... and press E. So we have all our Blockium items in here. We have everything that we need. We have all the new items, and we are in 1.2.3. And you have currently transferred your mod into 1.2.3. So congratulations and happy modding. See ya.